Alright guys, I'm going to talk about my big solar panels down here. So I've got two 550 watts out there. They're already dusty, look how much dust is on them already. But they're connected to one of these Ecoflow units. This is another one, I've got two. But basically all you do is they just plug and play. So these are solar panel cables. You can't really get them wrong because it's male and female. So you'd have a bit of a struggle to actually plug them in incorrectly. I've got another solar panel here that I'm trying to get working. I think this one maybe its voltage may be on the borderline limits of what the minimum the Ecoflow can handle. So I may just get another two of those, but that's not what I'm talking about today anyway. So what I want to talk about is it worth getting? So let's have a look at the app. Okay, so going into the Ecoflow app, as you can see, the gazebo solar panels are only producing 30 watts, which is not bad going considering it's there's no sun on that side. This is at the back of the house now, which this is the inverter for that. As you can see, each one's producing 550 watt panels are producing 15 watts each, which is fairly low, but like I said, there's no direct sun. But if we go over to the power generation, you can see we got up to 617 watts today, which isn't bad going, because the two colourful ones, that's each panel, and the white one is combined, so it was nearly up to 700 watts, which is nice. It's nice. But if we actually try and get it on a week, let's do a month, but let me do a month. Now, as you can see, between 1 and the 15, that's when these were sat upstairs on the balcony upstairs. And from the 15th to 29th, well, you can see which day I was actually working on the solar panels because it dips right down. Those days were where it's pretty much doubled because they're now sat on the gazebo roof and the power has significantly jumped up. That day where it's not sort of recording, something happened there. I can't remember what it was. Did I reposition them? I think I might have been putting them on brackets or something. But I just wanted to show that that's what I'm getting out of 550 watt panels with a cheap Ecoflow inverter. Cost me less than €300. It just plugs in on your socket. I do recommend putting a breaker in there just for a bit of safety, but I'm not your electrician and I'm not selling this as a package, and I'm not telling you how to install anything, but it is a very simple installation, and there's lots of these coming up all over Europe. I think Spain and Germany were the first ones, but it's sort of called balcony solar. But since then, even the UK is starting to catch up with the rest of the world. Anyway, thanks for watching.